여기 미친 듯이 도주하는 남성이 있습니다. 이때까지만 해도 경과는 모든 사건이 마무리된 줄 알았습니다.
We got him. Yeah. Got dog bit too. Well, he took off, rammed one of our vehicles. So I was catching up, and then they canceled the pursuit. 2 seconds later, another deputy, hey, he's right here. He just wrecked, and now he ran in the house. So, no, he ran into his house. He got dog bit, but nobody got hurt. Huh? Yeah.
So why did he run?
He has a aggravated battery warrant, felony warrant. Yeah. Now he just picked up another charge for ramming the vehicle, aggravated battery, on a police officer. Hold on. Won't stop. I didn't say you were speeding.
Sorry, dude. Please don't want to go through that. I didn't do nothing, man. I was not speeding, sir.
Turn it off.
Please stop. I don't have to.
Pull
I
over.
don't have to.
Pull over. Hang us up, Marion. I just attempted a 1050 on a motorcycle. He's headed east towards the incident that just happened. He just tossed a gun on the side of the road.
He also ditched a bag on the road and I think the car run it over.
The 26, Kilo 6, Kilo 7.
Can you describe the motorcycle?
It's a black motorcycle, a guy in a black jacket. He did have gloves on. It looked like he was reaching for the gun to turn around and point it at me, but he ended up tossing it. I'm looking for it.
He just tossed another baggie. He's pulling over right now.
1033.
23. I just rolled next to him, told him to pull over, so it's going to be.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not resisting, please. Please stop.
I got cuffs.
Please stop. I'm not resisting, sir.
Kilo 6, we're in 10-12. One detained.
Hello.
Back to you. He threw a
God
baggie
damn it.
just right before he stopped.
Please stop, please.
Did we're subject to die.
Stop crying! Holy shit! You did this to yourself.
I'm not resisting.
All right.
Please get off my back, please.
Hey,
Can you
hey.
take my helmet off, please?
Stay right there.
Yes, sir.
Stay right there.
Can you take my helmet off, please?
No, you're gonna keep your helmet on for a second.
Sir, please take my helmet. I can't breathe. Please, sir. God damn it, man. Please, I'm not resisting. I promise you. It's too. There was children's working today. Man, I didn't do that. I didn't speeding.
Are you choking?
Yeah, no, if you undo the button, you gotta roll me over on the other side so you see it, please. I'm not resisting, I promise you. Please. There's a red button, please. No, on the strap, please. Damn it. I can't breathe.
Just take a breath. Take a breath.
They weren't speeding or nothing, man.
Dude, just stop talking for a second.
Did you ever get stuff that was wrong with the baggies up?
Man, I didn't. What the fuck, bro? I was so stupid.
Stay 10-12. Yeah, I got you.
10-4, 6377 or 6631. Can one of you go to Kilo where the bag was at?
I haven't pat them down yet. We do have gas leaking right here.
I think that's what with a bag with a large crystal and some kind of something. Bag with a large
Hey,
crystal.
I'm gonna move you over this way. We're gas leaking. I'm gonna bring you over here.
I'm not going with this.
All right, go ahead and sit up for me.
He also ditched another bag west of the location, and between that and them, he threw a gun on the side of the road that I'm looking for.
Please, I don't want to.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Look at the stickers all over me. I can't.
location and between that and them.
I'll help you out. You stand up.
Man, I did not mean to do this. Why did I do that?
Guys, if you want to
This
maintain your
I can't, sir.
throw it, we'll have Kilo come down there for article search for you.
26, and if we can get another unit to go a little further west to retrieve the bag that he threw off on the road.
You're on track 1.
Stupid, dude. I'm so stupid, man.
Marion. 1026. Back to that 28 coming back from Slade.
64, man. Just make sure those north units are all in the 54 bag in the middle of the road.
경관들은 용의자를 수색하던 중 주사바늘과 여러 발의 탄약과 권총을 발견했습니다. 용의자가 던진 물건들에서는 메스암페타민과 코카인 양성 반응이 나왔습니다. 결국 용의자는 도주, 마약류 소지, 불법 총기 소지, 증거인멸, 차량 미등록, 무면허 운전 등의 혐의가 적용되었습니다. 하지만 어이없게도 그는 35,000달러의 보석금을 내고 풀려났으며 모든 혐의에 대해 무죄를 주장했습니다. 참고로 그는 과거 2005년도부터 범죄를 저질러왔으며 차량 절도, 가정폭력, 마약류 소지, 정지명령 불응 등 다양한 범죄 전력이 있었습니다. 그의 재판 결과는 아직 나오지 않았으며 유죄가 확정되기 전까지는 무죄로 추정됩니다.